Now it's time for master of our class. Here is Kanika for master concept. So put your hands together for Kanika.
Great morning everyone present here.
Very great morning.
I am Kanika, studying in 12th Science in Sunrise Public School, and today I am here to help you master the concept. So today we all are going to master one of the important concept of physics, which is atom as a magnetic dipole. Atom as a magnetic dipole. Let us start this topic. As we know that whenever current flows in a current carrying loop or in a loop, here magnetic field is produced, and whenever magnetic field is produced, the loop will have a magnetic dipole moment, and which is given by M is equals to NIA. M means magnetic dipole moment of the loop, and number of turns, I current in the loop, A area of the loop. Here we have to find the magnetic dipole moment by electron revolving around the nucleus. So for this I have to encounter this N, I have to encounter this I and this A. Let us first encounter this N. Here N means number of turns will be equal to 1 because electron is revolving around the same path, along same path around nucleus. Now give this equation number 1, give this equation number 2. Now let's encounter this I. As we know that I is equals to Q by T, means charge upon time. Here let us consider that the charge on electron is E and the time period of electron is T. Means electron completes its one revolution along the nucleus in time T. And let us modify this further. T will be equal to 2 pi r upon V. Why so? Because T is equals to distance upon velocity. Distance means length of the circle, that is circumference of circle, and the electron is revolving around the nucleus in a circular orbit of radius r with velocity v. Now if we put this value of t in our I, then we will got I is equals to ev upon 2 pi r. This v will jump onto the sky, means it will come here. Let us give this 3 number. Now we will encounter this A, area. It's so easy. Area of circle is obviously pi r square. So A is equals to pi r square. Let us give this 4. Now if we put 2, 3 and 4 in 1, we'll get M is equals to, here I is EV upon 2 pi r, and here comes pi r square. Pi cancels this r will cancel 1 r. Then we will got is, here M will come as EVR upon 2. Now I want to ask some questions. My first question is from Nidhi. Of magnetic dipole moment of an electron. Magnetic dipole moment of an electron revolving around nucleus. The formula is M is equals to EVR upon 2. Now we know that magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity. So let us try to find the direction of magnetic dipole moment. Here the direction of magnetic dipole moment is into the plane of paper, and it is along the direction of magnetic field produced by the loop. So here we have to find the direction of magnetic field. Now I want to ask question from Simran. By which rule I can find the value of direction magnetic field produced by the loop? Right answer. With the help of right hand thumb rule, I will find the direction of magnetic field. Now let us consider that the electron is moving anti-clockwise. So obviously the current will flow in clockwise direction. And if current flows in clockwise direction, then using right hand thumb rule, the magnetic field, see my fingers are curling in clockwise direction, so magnetic field comes inside. So the direction of magnetic dipole moment is into the plane of paper, perpendicular to the plane of paper, and inward direction, in inward direction. Now if I name it as equation number 5, and I multiply and divide this equation by m, then I will got m is equals to E mvr upon 2m. Now this m means mass of electron, mass of the revolving electron. Are you remembering anything? mvr. Parveen, what does? Right answer. Now our m will be equal to EL upon 2m, and if I take this L here, then I will got m upon L is equals to E upon 2m. Now just see it. Here electron, charge on electron is constant, 2 is a constant, m means mass on electron is also a constant. So we can say m upon L is also a constant, and this is known as gyromagnetic ratio. This is known as gyromagnetic ratio. Now my question is from Nisha. What does m upon L denote? Right answer. M upon L denotes gyromagnetic ratio, and the value of gyromagnetic ratio is 8.8 into 10 raised to the power 10 coulomb per kg. Now my question is from Nikita. What is the value of gyromagnetic ratio?
It is 8.8 into 10 raised to the power 10 coulomb per kg.
Right answer. Here I rest my words. Thank you and have a nice day.